My name is Brandon Briscoe, and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. Detail King came up in a lot of searches, and they had some awesome videos online, so I wanted to check them out. So yesterday in the classroom, it was almost a little overwhelming because there was so much information, but from starting the business, there was a lot of key takeaways that I could get as far as how I'm structuring things, what I'm looking at from an entrepreneur standpoint, how I'm going about getting funding, what I'm looking at for customers, and it really was a drive for my passion, and I could see the passion in other people as far as why they're doing detailing. One of the biggest things that I enjoyed about the interior and exterior training was the actual hands-on piece, meaning it wasn't just something that we talked about or something we sat in a classroom and did. It was actually something that we physically did. So it wasn't just more so talking about it, other than kind of giving you some techniques and some guidance, but actually you get to put those into practice.